Most people only use baking soda for cookies, until they take one sip of it in water and feel something shift inside their body almost instantly. You see, baking soda is simply a natural mineral salt called sodium bicarbonate. It forms when carbon dioxide combines with certain minerals deep underground, creating a white powder that reacts quickly with acid. A simple quarter teaspoon in water can set off a quiet chain of reactions that travel through the stomach, the blood, the kidneys, the muscles, and even the skin. Here are 8 benefits that people experience when they take baking soda water. Number 1. Ease that heavy burning feeling. Many people think acid reflux happens because the stomach makes too much acid, but very often it happens because the stomach is too slow at emptying food. Food sits there, pressure builds, and the valve that keeps things in place gets stressed. That is when the burning starts. But when baking soda enters the picture, it encourages the stomach to release what it needs so digestion can finish. The pressure lowers, the valve gets a break, and the burning fades because the whole process finally moves again. And once this constant acid overflow settles down, another part of the body gets help next. Number 2. Help your kidneys. Relax. Your kidneys work all day and night. They filter waste from the blood and keep your internal balance stable. When the body has too much acid, the kidneys carry the burden. Baking soda helps lighten that load. It makes the environment less harsh, so the kidneys do not have to struggle as much. People often only notice their kidneys when something feels wrong, but when things start calming down inside that system, the body feels a different kind of relief. One of the first places you notice it is in your energy levels, and that brings us to the next shift that tiny sip sets in motion. Number 3. Lift energy. By improving oxygen use. Inside the body, oxygen is one of the main ingredients for energy. The better your body uses it, the more awake and steady you feel. When baking soda mixes with stomach acid, it creates a bit of carbon dioxide. That small reaction signals your blood to release more oxygen to your cells. More oxygen means clearer thinking, better alertness, a stronger immune response, and a body that feels less weighed down. But the biggest changes do not always happen deep inside. Sometimes they show up in a place everyone notices right away. Number 4. Freshen the mouth and reduce bad breath. Your mouth is full of tiny organisms. Some help you. Some cause bad breath and gum troubles. The ones that cause trouble love acidic environments. When baking soda changes the pH level in the mouth, those bacteria lose their advantage. Your breath smells cleaner. Your teeth feel smoother. Your gums feel calmer. This shift then continues deeper into the body, into an area people rarely talk about but almost everyone struggles with at some point. Number 5. Calm sensitive bladder moments. When the bladder lining gets irritated, you feel it quickly. A burning urge, a sense that you need to go often. Troublesome bacteria often prefer urine that is too acidic. A small amount of baking soda can raise the pH just enough to make the environment less comfortable for them. This gives many people quick relief. It does not replace treatment, but it makes daily life more manageable. And better comfort often leads to better sleep. Better sleep leads to better recovery. And recovery shows up most strongly in the muscles that carry you through the day. Number 6. Reduce muscle burn. After activity. When you move your body, your muscles create waste that causes burning and heaviness. Baking soda can help reduce that feeling. People who exercise often use it so their muscles stay steady for longer before feeling tired. It helps the body maintain balance during hard physical activity, and that same balancing effect also shows up on the surface of your skin, especially when it reacts to irritation. Number 7. Soothe redness, itch, or breakouts. Skin irritation tends to flare when the surface becomes too acidic. When you mix baking soda with water, it can calm redness, reduce itch, and soften irritation from bites or dryness. Some people use it as a gentle paste for breakouts. Some soak their feet in it to ease discomfort. Others use it after a long day in the sun. But one of the most surprising uses has to do with your breathing. More specifically, your nose and sinuses. Number 8. Clear your sinuses. Gently. When you mix baking soda with warm salt water, you create a gentle rinse. This rinse can help loosen mucus, reduce irritation, and make breathing feel smoother. Hospitals often use buffered saline mixes for the exact same reason. It is simple, it is affordable, and for many people, the comfort is almost immediate. So yes, not every remedy needs to be complicated. Sometimes the smallest ones create the biggest changes, and baking soda happens to be one of them. Thank you for reading. Share in the comments which country you are from, and feel free to share your experience with baking soda.